Hello, and welcome back to the channel. It's so good to have you here with me today. Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling and asking, what am I really here for? What's my purpose? If you've ever felt that deep yearning for meaning, that sense that you were made for more, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most profound questions of life, discovering our purpose and calling through the lens of faith. It's a journey that's both exciting and, let's be honest, a little daunting. We see people who seem to have it all figured out, living these incredibly purpose-driven lives, and we can't help but wonder, how do I get that? The good news is you're not meant to wander aimlessly. I believe that each and every one of us has a unique mission, a special assignment written into our very being by a loving Creator. So, what is the difference between purpose and calling? Think of it this way. Our shared purpose, as people of faith, is universal. It's to love God and to love our neighbors. It's the why behind everything we do. It's the foundation. Our calling, on the other hand, is the specific, individual way we live out that purpose. It's the how. It's your unique mission field, whether that's in an office, a classroom, your home, or on a stage. It's the unique blend of your gifts, passions, and experiences put into action. The first step in uncovering this calling is often the simplest, yet the hardest: listening. In our noisy, fast-paced world, finding quiet is a radical act, but it's in the stillness that we can begin to hear that gentle, guiding voice. This isn't about waiting for a lightning bolt or a booming voice from the heavens, although that would be convenient. More often, it's a subtle nudge, a persistent thought, a sense of peace about a certain path. This is where practices like prayer and meditation become so crucial. It's about creating intentional space to connect and say, okay, I'm here, I'm listening, what do you want to show me? It's a conversation, ask questions. What breaks my heart? What lights me up with joy? Where do I see a need in the world that I feel uniquely equipped to meet? Pay attention to the answers that surface in your heart. Often, our greatest passions are clues to our calling. The next piece of the puzzle is to look at how you're wired. What are your God-given talents and gifts? Are you a natural encourager, a brilliant organizer, a creative artist, a compassionate caregiver? The Bible tells us that these gifts are not for our own benefit alone, but for serving others and building up the community. They are tools for your mission. Take a personal inventory. What do people consistently affirm in you? What activities make you lose track of time? Don't dismiss anything as too small or insignificant. Your ability to make someone laugh, to organize a chaotic closet, or to patiently teach a child, these are all powerful gifts. Your calling is often found at the intersection of what you're good at and what the world needs. Now, let's talk about our experiences, both the good and the bad. Your story, every triumph, every failure, every joy, and every tear, is a vital part of your calling. It's easy to want to hide our scars or forget our past mistakes, but faith teaches us that nothing is wasted. The very struggles you've overcome have equipped you with a unique empathy and understanding to help others who are walking a similar path. Think about it. Who can better comfort someone going through a tough time than someone who has been there themselves? Your testimony of overcoming hardship becomes a beacon of hope for others. Your past doesn't disqualify you, it qualifies you. It's the raw material that God uses to shape you for your unique mission. Your mess becomes your message. So, we've talked about listening, identifying our gifts, and embracing our story. What's next? Action. A calling isn't just something you discover, it's something you live out. It requires a step of faith. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, waiting for the entire 10-year plan to be revealed before we move. But faith is often about taking the next right step, even when you can't see the whole staircase. Start small. Where can you use your gifts to serve someone right now today? Maybe it's volunteering for an hour a week. Maybe it's starting that blog you've been thinking about. Maybe it's simply choosing to be more intentional and loving in your current job or with your family. Purpose isn't always a grand, dramatic change of direction. Often, it's about bringing intention and love into the life you already have. As you step out, you'll learn and grow. Some doors will open and others will close, and that's okay. A closed door isn't a failure, it's redirection. It's divine guidance helping you narrow your focus. Trust the process. Each step, even the missteps, provides valuable feedback that clarifies your path. One of the most beautiful aspects of this journey is that we're not meant to do it alone. Find your people. Surround yourself with a community of faith that will support you, encourage you, and hold you accountable. Share your dreams and fears with trusted friends or mentors. Let them speak into your life and help you see the gifts in yourself that you might overlook. We are stronger together, and our callings often intertwine in beautiful and unexpected ways. Living out your calling won't always be easy. There will be days of doubt and discouragement. There will be challenges that test your resolve. But here's the promise. When you are living in alignment with your God-given purpose, you will find a deep and abiding sense of joy and fulfillment that nothing else can offer. It's the feeling of being in the right place, at the right time, doing exactly what you were created to do. It is a peace that surpasses understanding because you know you are part of a story much bigger than yourself. Your small act of faithfulness is a ripple in a vast ocean, contributing to a divine plan of love and redemption in the world. So, my friend, what is that next small step for you? What's one thing you can do this week to lean into your calling? Maybe it's setting aside 15 minutes of quiet time. Maybe it's making a list of your passions and gifts. Maybe it's reaching out to that friend you've been meaning to encourage. Whatever it is, I encourage you to take it. Your unique mission is waiting. The world needs the special gift that only you can bring. You were made on purpose, for a purpose. Believe it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this has encouraged you on your own journey of discovery. If this resonated with you, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more conversations like this. And please, share in the comments one gift you're thankful for. I would genuinely love to read it. Until next time, go in peace and live on purpose.